And it goes a little something like.
Hey guys, good morning and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Ashley and I'm so happy to have you here with me today. Today I'm doing a day in my life as an esthetician. I feel like I've been kind of doing these a lot lately, but it's just what my life is consuming of right now, and I just like walked Bentley, so I just walked up the stairs. I'm all out of breath. But I have so many clients today, and actually my employee Kylie is training today. She's training at like 4 o'clock. She's doing a facial, and so maybe I'll record a little of that, and I'll record like setting up just my studio for like my 6 other freaking clients today. But I am going to be first making myself a little coffee. On my way to my spa. I'm a little late, so I'm kind of skirting, but yeah, I'm on my way to my spa. I have a noon and a 1:40 and then a 2:30 and then a 4:15 and a 5:20. But the 4:15 is my Kylie. It's my employee Kylie. That's her appointment, so like it's fine. I don't have to like do that one, but I have to be there. So because I'm like still watching and training her. But yeah, I'm like currently driving to my spa really quick, so I'll catch you guys at my if you guys know me and have been watching my esthetician day in the lives, I go to Target in between my clients, so yeah, guess where I'm going. Because I have like an hour and a half, and I could sit there for an hour and a half, but like I don't want to, because I have clients till 6 tonight, so I'm gonna be there all night. So I'm like, I might as well have some fun and go to Target a little bit and maybe get a little snack, because I forgot a lunch. So oh, I got dark all of a sudden. Hi. But yeah, got some Chipotle for lunch. Okay, so I got my Chipotle, my lunch, and while I was like eating, I'm just gonna like talk to you guys really quick because I'm really excited. My roommate and I, which my roommate is, if you guys don't know, my roommate is also my employee. She's a licensed esthetician, and we met in esthetician school, so I just like, I know she's good at what she does. But I wanted to tell you guys we got approved for a new apartment, so I'm excited to like do like moving vlogs and just like move out vlogs and move in. And then I also want to do a video where I show you guys a bunch of the videos that we took when we were apartment searching, because I have so many like empty apartments to show you guys if you guys want to see that. So like let me know if you want to see that in like the comments, or like this video so I know. But yeah, I'm so excited we got approved. We wanted this one really bad, and it's closer to my spa, so I could like leave a little later instead of like leaving an hour ahead of time. But yeah, I'm really excited about that, and I can't wait to show you guys like an empty apartment tour and a new full apartment tour like after we move there. But yeah, it's exciting. I just like kind of love change, and I embrace change, so I'm excited to like start at a new place. But I'm just like spilling on myself right now. Let me eat my lunch. I got the queso too, which I really like, and then I have to go in. I have a client at 1:40 and it's 1:07, so I have about 20 minutes. Let me just wait. It's early. No, you're good. Okay, so I am now going to just completely deep clean my, oh, Alexa, off. I'm just going to deeply clean my sauna suite before my employee gets here, because she's going to come at like 4 o'clock. It is 2:20. So I have like an hour and 40 minutes to kill. So I think I'm going to watch Too Hot to Handle, because I've been watching that, and I'm gonna watch that while I clean. Yeah. Green? Yeah.
Or a different one.
Do pomegranate. My skin's kind of sensitive. Make the video nice. Hello? Oh, there we go.
What the heck? I forgot it was thick.
Yeah.
Just
So I just, look at me, I'm a hot mess. I just finished my last facial of the day. My roommate slash employee, she came in and she did a facial, and then I just finished mine. So I'm just gonna clean up really quick, like behind me, and then I'll be done for the day. So I am all cleaned, and that is it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys did, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to hit the like button, and I'll see you guys in my next one.